Hello. In the previous part, we created the segment progress material. In this part, I will introduce a progress to use as material effectively. The process is that I will create a segment progress class so that in any widget design interface, I can drag the segment progress class from this palette. For example, with the progress bar, while designing, we can adjust the parameters to preview how the parameters will be displayed on the widget screen. The previews like this and their functions to change the properties of things like percent, color, and etc. So I created a segment progress widget here. I'm gonna use design mode. This mode will make each size will follow the size inside more flexibly. Here drag this one to make it long, drag short to make it short. That is design mode. To start the design part, I will need two images representing one is a progress field, which will be the progress part. It will run to where it will fill up, and one is a background of fill bar. I will overlap the background and fill with the overlay. Here the default color is white, but the displayed color is green. When I change to other colors, the color is also not correct, because in the original material, it needs to be converted to magic color 1, so that it can be multiplied by any color and it will produce that color. Okay, now I try to change the color and it works. To support updating the visual design of this widget, I will put it in the pre-construct function, because it will be set up before it actually appears on the game UI. This variable needs to be published so that when another widget uses this widget, it can change the variable directly during design time. Size bar also needs to be published so that it can be adjusted from the outside. By the way, I will set the default values to be more suitable, because the default is 0, H0, and the color's opacity equals 0, so nothing will be visible when you add into another widget. Next, we need to change the number of segments. To do this, we need to use the dynamic material of the image. Let's review the segment bar material. The max value and the per segment value determine the number of segments. Therefore, we need to change these two parameters to manipulate the number of segments. These are scalar variables. We use a scalar of dynamic material. Turn on public variables. I will let the function set percent of the fill progress bar. I use dynamic material to adjust the percent parameter. We have not done the percent parameter to manipulate the progress bar. To simulate the progress bar running from left to right, first we need the opacity mask pin. In Blender mode, you switch to mask. We will create another function to change percent, add a parameter for percent. In here, I will add percent function node and create a variable for percent. We also make this variable public. Because fill progress and background are both using the same material for the image. So when I adjust a material, the image using the same material will also be adjusted. So there is no independence between the background bar image and the fill progress bar image. So I will create two material instances for them. Okay, now the image materials are different. Let's try to edit the fill and background. As you can see, the slope of the fill bar and the background bar are not same, because the shear variable has not affected the background. Now I will set the shape variables to affect the background bar to match the shape with the fill bar. I will use dynamic material and set the same variable as the fill progress. I also set the default percent value to 1. This way, the background bar will always read 100%. Okay, the video ends. If you find my video useful, give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.